Alright, so we're back with another video here. And before we get started, if you go ahead and hit that subscribe button, we'll go ahead and get this video going. Alright, so what we got here is just a standard Kenmore dryer. It's an old school dryer, but these dryers are immaculate machines, okay? Very, very dependable models. And what we've got here is what I'm going to show you is if you go ahead and you turn this knob over, and you come over here and you press start, and you're not getting no power, no start, nothing like that. Simple fix. I'm going to show you how to fix it real quick. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to come around here to the back. Usually all of these models have 9 bolts total going around. There's 3 on each side and 3 on the back right here around the plate. We're going to go ahead and remove these screws. Usually there's only 1 bolt holding this cover on. You pull the bolt off, and it just has a little groove right there that pops right in place. I like to put all my bolts in one place so I can keep up with them. So like I said I showed a second ago in the video, once you get this back cover off, if you have a multimeter tester, you can test the fuse once you unpick it off. Alright, so once you've got those bolts in this cover, I've got 1 bolt in the bottom, 1 second. Alright, once you've got those bolts removed, we're just going to pull this cover off. Slide it out the way here. Alright, so right here is your element. It's got your high limit thermostat and your other thermostats. Got this thermostat right here. This is the culprit right here with the 2 blue wires. It's called a thermal fuse, and I've got a replacement right here. If you've got your multimeter, once you get this off here, you can test both ends of it and see if there's continuity all the way through it. So all you're going to do is disconnect these 2 blue wires right here. You're going to pick up your new one. And it just slides right back on these little pins. Just like this. So there's just 1/4 inch bolt that holds that in place there. Very simple fix, rather than buying a whole new dryer per se. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna grab this back panel again. Now that we've already switched out the thermal fuse. I'm gonna put this cover back on here. Let me grab my drill real quick. Get 1 or 2 of these started to hold it up here. And I'll grab that phone where I can show you what I'm doing. Alright, so all we're gonna do, there's a total of 9 bolts like I stated before. And all we're gonna do is we're gonna go around each one. these bolts back. All right, just like I stated before, on this cover that goes over the wires right here, it's got a little groove that pops right in place. It's just one bolt on this side. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna spin this thing back around. We're gonna plug it in real quick. Sitting on the quarter right there. All right, guys, moment of truth. All right, so we're back running again. Very quiet. Be sure to like and subscribe.